Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining us. My name is Julie Kruger and I'm the owner of Kruger Immigration Law. We are a small immigration law firm. We're headquartered in Buffalo, New York, and our practice is focused on business immigration, family immigration cases, citizenship and naturalization cases. And if you have an immigration case that you'd like to speak with me about, give me a call. My phone number is 716-393-9878. You can email me at julie@krugerimmigrationlaw.com, or you can submit an inquiry through our website at krugerimmigrationlaw.com. I'd be happy to speak with you. We offer a free case evaluation. We love helping our clients achieve their dreams without borders. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the TN visa. We get a lot of questions about the kinds of degrees that are required for TN visa applications, so I thought we would talk about that. So the TN visa is a visa that is for highly skilled workers in professions that typically require a bachelor's degree, post-secondary diploma, or higher. And there are specific requirements for the types of degrees that are acceptable for each of the TN visa professions. So for example, if you are applying for a TN visa as an economist, you need to have a bachelor's degree or a licensure degree or higher. And so under the law, though, the TN visa requirements, there's no degree requirement that your degree be in a specific field of study. So the law itself doesn't say that a field of study, particular studies required. However, U.S. Customs and Border Protection, in reality, it does require that your degree be either in the field of the profession that you're applying for, or in a closely related field. So for example, again, as an economist, as we talked about before, if you want to qualify for a TN visa as an economist, it's not enough to have a bachelor's degree just in any field. You need to have a degree in a field that is either in economics or in a field that's closely related to economics. For example, like mathematics or statistics, something like that. It is required when you're applying at the border that you bring your original degree with you. And this is true whether your degree is really large, whether your degree is framed, whether it's you're applying at the airport and it's inconvenient to have your big framed degree with you, or whatever other reason that it's inconvenient. This is true. You need to have your original degree with you when you're applying for the TN visa. And tips like this are one of the things one of the areas where having an immigration lawyer working with you on your application can really add value to your process. It's a simple thing that a lot of applicants get wrong and go to the border without their original degree, and then their application's denied. And it can be fixed. You can regroup and show up the next day or whatever with your original degree, but it means time delays. It can mean lost money. For example, you could miss your flight and have to rebook. It can mean embarrassment. You have to call your new employer and say, sorry, I got denied the visa because I didn't have the right things with me, and I won't be starting when you need me to start. I need to come back a different day. And it can mean a denial in your immigration file, which can complicate future border crossings and you don't want on your immigration records. Your degree can be from any country. However, if your degree is from a country other than the United States, Canada, or Mexico, you do need to obtain an evaluation of your degree that explains whether your degree is equivalent to a degree in the United States. And that degree evaluation needs to be done by a reliable credentials evaluation service that specializes specifically in evaluating foreign educational credentials. And if you're working with our firm, again, this is an area we're going to help you get right the first time. We're going to assist you to obtain the right credentials evaluation that will explain to the officer whether your degree meets the correct requirements. For the TN visa, you cannot combine education plus experience to equal a degree. So say you have 2 years of a college education and then 5 years of experience. You can't add those together to add up to a degree. This is different from the requirements for other types of visas, for example, the H-1B visa. There are a couple of TN visa categories that can qualify based on experience alone, but those are really limited categories. It's just the scientific technician category, management consultant, and the disaster relief insurance claim adjuster. So any other category, you cannot rely on experience alone. If you are applying in one of those categories where you're relying on experience alone, you do need to prove still your experience. And you're going to need to do that not just through your own resume, which the officers will see as self-serving, but you're going to need to show pay stubs, a letter from your previous employer, tax returns, or other kind of objective evidence of your previous experience. So those are some quick tips about the TN visa degree requirements. If you have a job offer in the United States or you're an employer and you're considering hiring an applicant from abroad and you need to apply for a visa, submit an inquiry through our website, give me a call or send me an email. I'd be happy to speak with you. Again, we offer a free case evaluation and we can figure out your experience, the job duties, and which visa is the right one for you. You can reach me at 716-393-9878. You can email me at julie@krugerimmigrationlaw.com. You can submit an inquiry through the website at krugerimmigrationlaw.com. Thanks so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every couple weeks focusing on topics related to immigration law. Thanks again. Have a great day.